Hi, this is my second episode and I'm going to cook pork humba. Here are my ingredients. I'm using pork tenderloin, but you can also use pork belly. A cup of water, soy sauce and vinegar, onion and garlic, laurel leaves, pepper, star anise, black beans, and ketchup. Okay, nilagay ko na yung pork tenderloin sa saucepan. You just mix everything, all the ingredients. Let's put the soy sauce. Vinegar, and water. Pakukuluan lang natin siya. I-braise para lumambot yung meat natin. And then we put every ingredients like onions and garlic. Dahon ng laurel, pepper, star anise, mga 3 pieces, para pampabango lang siya, and black beans, ketchup, and i-mix natin siya. Hintayin lang natin siyang lumambot. Okay. Hintayin lang natin siyang lumambot yung meat. And then we will taste it. Now, nagbo-boil na siya. We put 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay. Hihinaan na natin siya into medium heat para mag-simmer na lang siya. And we will boil it for 30 to 45 minutes para maging tender na yung pork. Takpan na natin siya ulit. Okay, lambot na yung meat. Well, since walang fat yung meat natin, hindi magtitikin yung sauce. So, gumamit ako ng water with cornstarch for slurry. Teaspoon of cornstarch lang and a little bit of water para mag-thicken lang yung sauce. Yeah, 5 minutes more and we're done.